Hi everyone, I'm Chris and welcome back to the lecture on logistic regression of this machine learning course. This section is about the k-nearest neighbor algorithm. One of the simplest models for classification is the k-nearest neighbor algorithm. The idea is to classify new data by looking into the neighborhood of this data point. Which class is the most frequent class in the neighborhood? On the right side, the situation is sketched. Here we have two independent variables, x1 and x2. The new data point is represented by the green star. The algorithm identifies the k closest data points in a given training data set with respect to our new data point. This training data is a data set with known classes. In our example, the training data set has two different classes. The light blue dots for class A and the dark blue dots for class B. So the algorithm identifies the k closest data points with respect to our new data point. In our example, we choose k equals 3. The algorithm then takes the three closest data points into account. They are usually identified by using a metric, like the Euclidean distance with respect to the input variables. In the two-dimensional example here, this is the green circle. Its size is determined so it includes exactly 3 data points. Now, the algorithm considers the known classes of the closest data points. The estimated class can be determined by a major vote. This is the most frequent class. However, it is also possible to take the individual distances of the data points more accurately into account. A big plus of the k-nearest neighbor algorithm is that no explicit training or fitting of this model to data is needed. Only at the time when estimating a target class, the training data is considered. But it is very time-consuming to calculate all distances, especially for a lot of training data points and in high-dimensional spaces. So, if a lot of input variables are given, you should consider an alternative approach. Section finished. If you like this video, please click the like button and consider to subscribe this channel. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment down below. And thanks again for listening. See you in the next section.